Hello, everybody.
Maurice Wallace.
Yes.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Maurice O'Neill Wallace. This is ticket number SP 1461720. Count 1, drive unregistered untitled motor vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1465917. Count, no proof of insurance. Ticket SP 1465916, drive unregistered untitled motor vehicle. And ticket number V1231971, count, fail owner's duty of care. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Harry. For the defendant, state your name, sir.
Maurice Wallace.
We're here for an arraignment, so he waives any formal reading of the information or complaint or warrant, stands mute for that purpose, and asks for a trial date by Zoom, please, a waiver trial.
All right. If that's the case, please.
It's the nature of the charges against the defendant here.
I figured as much. Please raise your right hand, sir. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, or nothing but the truth, Mr. Wallace?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights, Mr. Wallace?
Yes.
Okay, can you hear me?
On the phone. Yeah, I can hear you. I can hear you.
Okay. Okay, I know you're on the phone, but for this, I have to see you. So do you need to physically come in person?
I mean, I can come in person, or I can go on Zoom. I mean, either
right,
way.
but I have to physically be able to see you on Zoom. You're on Zoom right now, but you're on the phone, so I can't physically see you. Are you going to? So my question to you again, listen carefully, is are you going to be able to get on Zoom, or do you need to physically come in person so that you can be in the courtroom?
Okay, I need to get on Zoom now.
No. All right. For the trial, and I apologize. I wasn't clear about it for the trial purposes.
Okay, well, I'll be able to get on Zoom.
For the trial?
I got Zoom on my phone. Yes, I have Zoom on my phone.
Okay, I'm just checking because that's going to determine the date that I do it on, okay? I just was trying to figure out, okay?
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to do it on May. Yes.
May I interject, Diachiku Mason, City of Detroit, 43471. Just in case there is an animal cruelty, is he the same person with the V ticket?
Yes.
So there might be discovery he needs. Do you want to appoint so that we can give discovery on animal cruelty?
So. Yeah.
Well, it's okay because I already had my tenants had already taken care of that.
Okay, so Mr. Wallace, you don't know this, but sometimes we have issues with different cases, and then there'll be discovery, and they'll want to talk to you about it. Now, you can move forward just to have a trial in this matter, but also know that on the day of trial, I don't like to adjourn them because now you want to have discovery and go over and discuss things. Without an appointed counsel, you won't be able to discuss anything until the actual day of trial. Are you going to be comfortable with that and want to move forward?
No, I'm not. I'm not comfortable with it because I just own the property that my tenants is on.
All right. So here's what I'm going to do, Mr. Wallace. I'm going to have you appointed some counsel. So I'm going to have you come back on April the 2nd for a pre-trial, but I need you to call the courtroom so we can get some information from you so I can get counsel appointed. So that way they can talk to you and you can get all this hashed out before we have a trial. Because on the day of trial, I don't want us to have to adjourn it because now you want to have a discussion about it. Okay. And then they can talk to you and share all the law and all the rules. So you're very clear on it.
But I had went to court on it already in front of you.
No, you failed to appear on December the 8th on this ticket.
I said I appear when I'm in jail in West Virginia.
I said you failed to appear.
But I was in jail in West Virginia.
Okay, so did you come when you were in jail in West Virginia?
No, I never knew I even had no ticket or no case.
So Mr. Wallace, listen to me. I said failed. Maybe I shouldn't have said failed. You didn't show up to the court dates that we put out there. That's why you had this court date today. And it sounds like you didn't show up to them because you were you weren't able to. So that's all I'm saying. Failed to means you didn't show up to these court dates. And it sounds like you had a reason or what a method of why you didn't. That's fine. I don't care. You're here now. All I'm asking is that we want to appoint some counsel so that on the day of trial, this doesn't turn into we need to adjourn this to another date, because now you have lots of questions about what took place and what happened. Or it's up to you. You don't have to have appointed counsel. I'm not going to adjourn this case, though. We come the day of trial, and now you want some extra time. I can tell you that much.
Oh, no, I mean, I don't need no extra time for nothing because I already know what I did and what I didn't do.
Okay. All right. All right. So I'm going to set this matter for a bench trial on May 29th. I will not adjourn this case. We will move forward that day, May 29th at 9:30 a.m. I'll set this. Your bond at $0 personal. I'm gonna make a note to myself to look back at the YouTube video so I can remember our conversation that we have. All right, I gotta see you physically that day somehow. So whether it be by Zoom or in person, I have to see you for the trial, okay? All right, you're all set, Mr. Wallace.
Okay, thank you.
No problem.
Yeah, could you release Corporal McCree, because he never checked in either. He was from Maurice.
Corporal McCree, you're all set. The person never checked in. Mr. Wallace didn't check in today, so you can go ahead and keeping our city together, please, and thank you.
Thank you so much. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you. All right. I'll bring in Miss Morgan. She is doing a lot of walking. I had to take her out for a second. Miss Willis-Morgan.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Okay, I got to see you the whole time, so you're gonna have to put your face in the camera for me, okay?
I'm sorry. My phone was dying. I had to run into the store to get
Ooh, and you breaking up. Oh, and you're breaking up.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you now. Now calling the matter of the people versus Felicia Willis-Morgan. This is case number SP 10220701. She's not on the docket for today, Attorney Mason. Counts 1 is license improper. Count 2, untitled unregistered motor vehicle. Count 3 of that same ticket is improper plates. Ticket number SP 1523653. Count 1, expired plates. Count 2, no valid registration certificate. Count 3, no proof of insurance. Ticket number SP 8535621, no operator's license on person. Ticket SX 3596171, no operator's license on person. And ticket number 172638281, no operator's license on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Hi, Harry Baughman, the defendant. State your name, please.
Ma'am, all right, I'll put her in the waiting room. I'm gonna wait till she finished getting out that store. I can't do it. Don't worry, we're gonna skip over her. She's taking care of business. That's fine. She's just gonna have to wait a minute. All right. Miss Willis-Morgan, you finishing the store now?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Recalling the matter of the people versus Felicia Willis-Morgan. This is ticket. I called these tickets entirely. We just paused the hearing for a moment so that I could be able to allow her to finish what she was doing so she could pay attention to this court hearing. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please. Attorney Boffman. Attorney Boffman. All right, ma'am, you need a pretrial so you can come back to take care of these.
Yes, I'm guessing. I'm not.
Are you in
Yeah,
compliance
I'm
with any of this stuff? Or are you close to becoming in compliance with these things?
No, I'm not. No, I'm not. I had some financial difficulties.
Mm.
I had
Okay.
some financial difficulties, but I'm trying to pay whatever I can. He did let me know that I could go to the Secretary of State and pay for my reinstatement. I didn't know that. So that's where I actually was at when you clicked me back in. I was grabbing a charger. I walked.
I figured as much. I just knew you were talking to somebody, so I didn't want me to ask you questions. You got two people asking you questions. And so I paused for a moment. It was just to give you some time so that you could take care of what you needed to take care of. So this is why I'm asking Mr. Morgan, Willis-Morgan. I'm trying to figure out how much time you need additionally. Like, do you want me to give you some time, or are you going to come back and try and resolve it? What do you need me to do?
If I had to pay, what would be the amount of the payment?
I mean, right now, you got a ton of tickets in disposition. No, I lied. You got most of your tickets are closed. It's just these warrant tickets. So I'm going to look at some of these tickets that are in disposition, and I'm going to put them on my docket because they're not too old, my clerk said. And then you do have some reinstatement fees that you need to pay through the court. It looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those. They're $45 a piece. And probably another one with this no proof of insurance, because that's probably one of the ones that's stopping you right now. So
Judge, you want to resolve this matter right now? I mean, from what you gave me, you want me to make an offer right now? We can try to.
She want to try and resolve it? I don't know.
We can.
Okay.
Whatever is easier.
Well,
Okay.
we want to do what's fair for you, not what's easy.
Right. So she has 3. She got 1, 2, 3 no operators license.
Yep.
License improper.
Yep.
Unregistered motor vehicle.
Improper plates.
Proper plates, expired plates, no valid registration. I know that's not on there, and no proof of insurance. They're all from last year though.
Those still in just as the default. You want me to set aside the default on those?
Yeah, can we please and help her out?
Yeah, let's set aside the default, dismiss those.
Okay.
I'll give her an allowing. Let's drop those NOPs. I'll give her an allowing.
Okay.
And I'll get an improper plate. How's that?
That's nice. Thank you.
That's fantastic. You want to take that offer today, ma'am?
Yes, I appreciate it. I really do.
We know. We see you trying to hustle and get it together, okay? All right. Give me 1 second. Can I just come back to your case 1 second? You've been so patient, Miss. I promise I'm gonna help you out. I want to get Miss Ward out of here. Miss Ward, because I don't know what she's doing. All right, Miss Ward.
Hello, hi, yes.
You got to put your camera all the way down so I can see your face, even if you're eating right now. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Now calling the matter of people versus Latricia Renee Ward. This is ticket number SP 4838881. This is count 2, improper plates. Count 3, drive unregistered untitled motor vehicle. We have ticket number SP 121037.
Guys, back on the record.
Oh, hold on. Sorry, I got it. Ticket SP 1210376. 1 count drove while license suspended. Ticket SP 1365550. Count 1, smoking marijuana within passenger area of a motor vehicle upon public highway. Count 2, open alcohol motor vehicle. And we have ticket number SX 243142. Count 2, no operator's license on person. May I have your appearance for the record, counsel, starting?
Harry Boston on behalf of the defendant.
Ma'am, can you state your name for the record?
Latricia Ward.
All right.
Matters are set for trial this morning. There's no complaining witness in any of the enumerated cases. Would you consider a motion to dismiss here without prejudice?
I will, and I looked to see if any of those officers came. None of them came, so the court is going to grant your request. I'm going to dismiss
didn't we
these
get the I was going to say Majid Hussein called in, I believe, according to the court officer.
Did I get that sheet? Did he come in?
I think she told me that he was sick. He called into the court, and I'm sorry about that though. So I don't
have the sheet. Yeah.
Okay, I don't want to give him a no PO. That's all.
Okay. All right. Okay. No, he didn't. It's okay. All right. So that's just a drove while license suspended ticket. The officer is sick on that today, Miss Ward. I can dismiss all the other tickets for no officer. How do you want me to move forward on this ticket where he's sick?
Ma'am, do you have currently a valid license?
No, I can't get my license until August 13th.
Okay.
Judge, I'll give her an allowing.
Thank you.
Okay.
That
Would you
will
like an
go on your
allowance?
record, ma'am. You pay a fine for that.
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you.
If you're willing to plead guilty to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, we'll resolve that driving while license suspended case this morning. You
And
pay a
how
fine.
much is the fine?
It's up to me, the judge, and typically I do $200.
Okay.
Is that something you're
fine.
able to afford?
Yeah, I can afford it.
Okay, and I'll give you some time if you need additional time to pay it. You understand?
Okay, how do I pay it while I'm on here or?
You can go online to 36districtcourt.org, or you can physically come down to the courthouse to take care of it. But I
What will I
just
put
want your
in when
info.
I just put in my
I'll give you the
name?
information. Yeah.
Okay.
All right, raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, that you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, I do.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of June 13th of 2021. At that time, were you in the area of Dexter and West Davidson in the city of Detroit driving a Dodge vehicle?
Yes, I was.
And while you were driving that Dodge vehicle, was your license suspended at the time?
Yes.
Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, of course, satisfied as well, and will accept the plea to the reduced charge of allowing unlicensed driver to drive. Now, this shouldn't affect your time to get your license back, okay? Because it won't abstract, and so you won't get caught and dinged for it. But you do have to pay the fine, $200. I'll give you 60 days to pay that. You can physically come down to 36 District Court. Just give them your ID. They can look you up in the computer system, or I can give you the ticket number too, and they can look it up that way as well, okay?
Okay. Can you
If
give
you
me
go
that
online,
ticket number?
I sure can. You ready?
Okay. Yes.
SP
Mm-hmm.
12
Mm-hmm.
10
Mm-hmm.
376. Count one.
You said SP like superpower 1210.
Superpower. Yep, superpower. 12 10
376.
1. Do one at the end too.
Okay. 3761.
Yep.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. You're welcome, and I'll give you 60 days to pay this, but pay this so that way it's not even blocking you from doing anything you need to do, okay?
Okay, thank you.
So that's May 1st. Thank you so much. You've been patient and kind today, Ms. Ward.
Thank you, guys. Have a nice day.
All right, have a good, you too. Thank you for that catch too. I appreciate it. All right, I'm just trying to get a ROA. Let me get this ROA printed out for her. She's gonna take a plea. Recalling the matter of the people versus Felicia Willis-Morgan. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Often for the defendant, state your name.
State your name for us, please.
Felicia Willis-Morgan.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, counsel. We've reached a resolution in this. Is that correct?
I'm sorry, forgive me. There's a plea deal. The defendant's going to waive her rights. She's pleading guilty to allowing an unlicensed driver to drive and to improper plate.
All right, if that's the case, ma'am, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, I did.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for this plea today?
No, they didn't.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes, I am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, I am.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, that you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes, I do.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, I do.
All right, I want to take your attention back to the date of, looks like September the 2nd of 2019. Were you driving a Chrysler vehicle in the area of Schoolcraft and Schaefer in the city of Detroit?
Yes, I was.
While you were driving this vehicle, was your license not valid at the time?
No, it wasn't.
Was there also improper plates on that vehicle at that time?
No, it wasn't.
There was it, or was it not proper plates?
It was not.
Okay, all right, satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed. It says so stipulated. All right, so at this time, the court's gonna enter a plea to the amended charge of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive and one count of improper plates. Ma'am, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, probably 5, 6, 7 reinstatement fees. Okay, they're at $45 a piece. You may have one more too. You need to pay those, okay, so that you can get your license back.
Mm-hmm.
All right, driver to drive. All right, that's my fine today. You got to pay all those, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And then we'll take care of all these tickets. Make sure you take care of this so you can try and get your license back, okay?
Do I pay it to you all or do I pay it at the Secretary of State?
So you come down to 36th District Court. What ends up happening is when you pay it here and take care of it, it'll send clearance over to Secretary of State's office. They have additional fees that you have to pay separate from ours. But pay our fees and fines. It's probably gonna be close to $300, almost $400, because that's how many you have. Take care of them so that way you can get the clearance so that you can be able to go to the Secretary of State's office and take care of it, okay?
Okay.
Okay, thank you. You've been patient for these couple of days. I remember you from Monday holding tight. I appreciate it. So that's why I'm trying to get you what you can get, okay?
Thank you so much. I'm about to give me an Uber and come down now.
Oh, wow. Okay, let me get these to my clerk so we can put them in, okay?
Yep, absolutely. I
All right,
appreciate everyone. Thank you.
Oh, no problem. All right, if there's nothing further, you're all set, okay?
Okay, you guys have a good one.
You too.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. All right, Rodney White. Yes, the date you gave me for him. All right.
Yes.
Whew. All right, I'm gonna just call his tickets and not necessarily all the tickets specifically. Now calling the matters of the people versus Rodney Kawan White. This is ticket SP 1073146, counts 1, 2, and 3. Ticket number SP 1085328, counts 1 and 3. Ticket SP 1157621, counts 1 and 2. Ticket 416006, counts 1, 2, and 3. Ticket SP 1232348, counts 1, 2, and 3. Ticket SP 1259521, counts 1, 2, and 3. Ticket SP 1259523, count 1. Ticket SP 1280688, counts 1, 2, and 3. Ticket SP 128066961, count 1. Ticket SP 1291047, count 1 and count 3. Ticket SP 1298157, count 1. Ticket SP 1298167, count 1. Ticket SP 1346377, count 1 and 2. Ticket SP 1422506, counts 1. You can't see it, Mr. Boffin, but he adjusting himself, zipping up his coat. He done set his stuff down. He fixing all kinds of stuff up. These his cases.
Mr. White.
Stop moving. What are y'all doing? Like, for real. I just want to invite everybody back to court from now on. Because when you at home, you just feel like you're doing whatever. I let you do whatever you wanted to do for the last few hours. I know you've been waiting. So for these few moments, you just need to be still. That's it. Just be still, everybody. Just be still for a few moments. Ticket SP 1422506 counts 1, 2, and 3. Ticket SP 1435892 counts 1 and 2. Ticket SP 1435977 counts 1 and 2. Ticket SX 4131560 counts 1 and 2. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
Good morning, Harry Boffin for the defendant. Mr. White, state your name, please.
Rodney White.
So the defendant's been advised of his rights. At this time, he will waive any more formal reading of the information complaint or warrant, stand mute, and ask for a pretrial date to return.
All right, at this time, the court's going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. I set these matters for a pretrial on the date of March 21st. March 21st. It's going to be at 8:30 a.m. I'll set his bond at $0 personal. Unless he's paid some money, that money will remain as a bond hold. If he hasn't paid any money, everything will be $0 personal. All right, I'll see you back March 21st.
All right, see you then.
Be safe, be well, sleep sweet, and much love.